Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video where today we will be unboxing the PDP Deluxe Audio Wired Controller. So I've been wanting this, and funny story, my mom actually ordered this off GameStop, but she chose the color blue because that's the one I wanted, and they got kind of confused and sent us the wrong model. And they sent us the one without like the back pedals, and it didn't even have a headphone jack, which is why I want it. It's really cool. So yeah, we got the right one. We just picked it up from GameStop. So yeah, let's get going. Be careful, kids. Don't try this at home. I have parent supervision. Okay. Okay, we got the tape off, so let's open this baby. Yeah, I really wanted the blue one because it's my favorite color, so yeah. Let's open this up. Okay, so, keep it to the side, this piece of paper, and yeah, there it is. Wow. Yeah. We got the manual. I'm not reading this. Yeah, I watched videos on this, so I know really all about it. So yeah. Let's open this up. Let's get the wire out. Oh, this looks so cool. Little space. Bro. Okay. It's really secure in there. Okay. After 5 years, we got it out. And look, what I really like is these back pedals, they can help. And, which is really cool, if you don't want it, you can just flip this switch and they come right off, which is really cool. So if you like tend to squeeze the controller and don't want the buttons to go off, yeah, you can do that. And what's really cool is these things, you see these things, they like push into these to make them work. Because look, these are the actual buttons, if you can hear that. So yeah, that's really cool. You can map these to whatever you want. I'm probably gonna make it jump and build, just to test them out. So yeah, we're gonna test these out on like the one game that's basically made for these controllers, Fortnite. So yeah, that's really cool. You can do this. And what's really cool about this, it has a turbo button. So as you can see, there's a plus and a minus on this. So if you hold it down and then do this or this, pretty sure it'll make the volume go up or down. And of course, the reason I wanted this controller, the headphone jack. So yeah, it has a 10-foot long cable, which is pretty dang long. And I also wanted this this long wire so I can sit on like the couch and play. So yeah, let's connect this to my Switch and test it out. Okay. This is such a long cable. Where do I start? Where does it start and where does it finish? Okay, so let's just take this over to my amazing Switch. Let's like plug it in. Oh yeah, this is USB wired. So yeah. There we go. It is plugged in, ready. As you can see, look, the home button lights up. That's really cool, actually. Okay, so let's do this. And as you can see, it is connected. So let's press A, and boom. There. In Fortnite. Oh, it's X. It gets ready to play. Look, if you click this button, or this one, it's counted as X. So it starts getting the match ready. So yeah, that's actually really cool. We're gonna test this out in some creative. And yeah, now the buttons and stuff. Man, I'm excited. So, let's get into the match. Okay, we're in creative. I got my headphones. Yeah, I got my headphones with me. We're gonna test these out too. But yeah, I'm gonna quickly grab a gun so like we can test the buttons and stuff. This is going to be awesome. So I'm gonna quickly grab Scar, and yeah. So look, if I'm equipped onto the Scar and I need to quickly change to my thing, this is already mapped to X. So I can just, it automatically changes. So like, if I'm in a match and I really don't want to change it, I can just, so yeah, that's really cool. And I'm pretty sure the way you map this is you do this. I'm gonna do this and then B. So now if I click it, it's my jump button. So yeah, so you hold the button down, so I want this. And then I hold the action button, and then I want it to be A, so I click A. And now, imagine I'm in like a tight spot and I need to build. I can just quickly click it and then start building. So yeah, this is a really cool controller. So I'm gonna click it to B. So, my jump button. I'm actually gonna click this one to A. So now I can jump and build. Look like I do. Jump, build. So yeah, I really like this thing. Yeah, you can see in my game, it works pretty well. So yeah, let's try with the headphones on. Yep. I'm gonna put my headset on, take my thing, and plug it. Yo, that's so cool. And this is also crazy because I've been wanting a Pro Controller for a long time, and now the cable is 10 feet and I can just sit back and play with my friends. So like, and my edit button is also A, so if I like put like a wall down, I can just hold down my button, my paddle, and it'll automatically edit, which is really cool. Man, I love this controller. This is really cool. Wow. And you can see it's also a face-off, so like if you kind of dig your nails and pull into it, it takes the faceplate off. So yeah, this is actually a really cool controller. So yeah, this has kind of been my review. And yeah, that's really it. This was the PDP Face-Off Deluxe Audio Jack Pro Controller. And yeah, that was really it. You can buy this. We got it for GameStop for about 27 bucks. It was pretty cheap for a really good controller actually. So yeah, that was really it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.